Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to solve this leakage issue in flush tank. So if you see, there's a little leakage that's happening, which is coming out from there. So it's actually overflowing from there because it's exceeding this limit. That's the reason that hole is given so that extra water can come out. So let's see how to solve this issue in today's video. It's simple to do. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. If you are facing this issue wherein the water is leaking from the side, or either also it will leak from here. So let's see how to solve this. If you see now closely, you can see the water is flowing from here. So we can stop this overflow with one small change. So I'll show you that. So before that, I'll say what is happening. So let me flush out all the water. So this ball is what stops the water from entering. So when this completely comes up, the water will stop because the button over here will get pressed. So when this gets pressed, the water will be shut, and there won't be any more water coming inside this flush tank. So right now, what is happening is, if you see there, a little water is still coming in because it's not completely shut, because of which the water keeps on coming inside this flush, and because of that overflow happens and the water comes out from that hole. So the simple solution for this is just need to rotate this a little. So when you rotate this thing comes out. So it will give more space to close this wall properly. So now if I press this, now if I lift this, you can see the valve is completely shut and there is no more water coming in. So it's a small change which you have to do. You have to just bring this thing a little more outside by rotating. Either you can use your hand to rotate, or you can do it with a plier, something like this. So now there won't be any leakage happening. So it will be completely shut because it will be turned off by pressing this. A little more and this ball completely comes up. So that's a quick solution for this. So that's a quick video which I wanted to show. So you just need to rotate and bring this thing outwards. That way this will help to shut this valve properly, and it will not exceed that level as well, and there won't be any more overflow and leakage happening in this flush tank. So if you see now, so the water is stopped there. It won't go beyond that. There won't be any overflow. So you can adjust it if you want it to come a little above, then you can adjust this accordingly. You can bring it down. So can adjust it so that it can fill a little more water. So yeah, that's how you can stop the leakage if you have a leakage in your flush tank, which I showed earlier. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to show. Hope you liked it. If you think this video is useful, let me know in the comments, and also if you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you, bye.